There is nothing stronger than a broken woman who has rebuilt herself. Hannah Gadsby. Hannah Gadsby, born on January 12, 1978, in Smithton, Tasmania, Australia, is a critically acclaimed comedian, writer, actress, and television presenter known for her groundbreaking and deeply personal comedy. Gadsby gained international fame with her Netflix special Nanette, which challenged traditional stand-up comedy by addressing serious topics such as trauma, mental health, and LGBTQ issues with raw honesty and dark humor. Hannah Gadsby grew up in a large family in the small town of Smithton. She studied at the University of Tasmania and later at the Australian National University, earning a degree in art history and curatorship. Her background in art history would later influence her comedic work, particularly in her show Renaissance Woman. Gadsby first stepped into the comedy scene in 2006 after winning the national final of the Raw comedy competition for new comedians. This victory launched her career, leading to performances at various comedy festivals and on television shows in Australia and the UK. Gadsby's comedic style evolved over the years, blending observational humor with poignant social commentary. She became known for her ability to tackle difficult subjects with wit and sensitivity. Her early work included the series Please Like Maine, created by and starring Josh Thomas, where she played the character of Hannah, contributing to the show's unique blend of humor and heartfelt storytelling. In 2017, Gadsby premiered her stand-up show Nanette at the Melbourne International Comedy Festival. The show received rave reviews and quickly became a cultural phenomenon. Nanette subverted traditional comedy by incorporating elements of a TED Talk and a confessional, using humor to address Gadsby's experiences with trauma, her identity as a queer woman, and her critique of the comedy industry itself. Nanette was recorded and released on Netflix in 2018, bringing Gadsby's powerful message to a global audience. The special won numerous awards, including an Emmy for Outstanding Writing for a Variety Special and a Peabody Award, solidifying Gadsby's status as a transformative voice in comedy. Following the success of Nanette, Gadsby continued to create thought-provoking and innovative comedy. In 2020, she released Douglas, another Netflix special named after her dog. Douglas explored themes such as autism. Gadsby was diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder in adulthood, identity, and the aftermath of Nanette while maintaining her distinctive blend of humor and insight. Hannah Gadsby is an outspoken advocate for LGBTQ rights and mental health awareness. Her work often draws from her personal experiences, providing a platform for discussions about gender, sexuality, and mental health. She has used her public profile to promote acceptance and understanding, challenging societal norms and encouraging empathy. Hannah Gadsby has redefined the boundaries of stand-up comedy, using her platform to engage with complex and often painful topics in a way that resonates deeply with audiences. Her unique voice and fearless approach have earned her a place among the most influential comedians of her generation. Through her work, Gadsby continues to inspire and challenge both the comedy world and society at large, advocating for a more inclusive and compassionate world.